Hi guys, welcome to your abs quickie. For this workout, you don't need any equipment, but if you do want to challenge yourself a little bit extra, you can put on a pair of light ankle weights. Let's get started. All right, let's get started in a 4-point kneeling. We're just gonna take a couple of cat-cows here to start to warm up through the core. So I want you to really lengthen through the spine, and then as you exhale, pull those abs in round through the shoulders. Beautiful. Inhale, lengthen, get that beautiful stretch, and then exhale, pull those abs in. Good, 2 more. Deep breath in. And exhale, rounding through the spine. Beautiful. From here, we're gonna tuck those toes under, and you're gonna push up between your hands. So really imagine you're pushing between your hands and you're pulling your hands and your knees together. We're gonna lift ourselves up and really brace that core. Beautiful. Drop those knees down. Deep breath in. Really vacuum. Pull those abs in tight. Lift it up and down. Just getting that deep core activation. Good, deep breath in. Pull those abs in as you exhale, lift. And lower, 1 more. This is the ab work we wanna keep the whole time. Deep breath in. As you exhale, pull your belly button to your spine, hover those knees, pull those abs in. Beautiful, so let's keep that breathing throughout the whole class. We're gonna tuck our toes under and just take a couple of pulses back here. So stretching through those legs, stretching through those arms, and really getting that sensation of on our exhale, pulling our belly button to our spine. When you're ready, I want you to lift your right leg up to the ceiling, pull it forward, take it to your right elbow, your left elbow, and stretch it up. Good, so we're gonna go elbow, elbow, lift, starting to switch on our deep core and our obliques. Beautiful, 2 more. We're gonna go elbow, elbow, lift, 1 more. It's elbow, elbow, and lift. Now come into that plank for me and just take that elbow side to side. Good, for 3, for 2, for 1. You're gonna take it back, take that little stretch, and we'll do it the other side. So we are really switching on that core right away, tucking those toes under. We're gonna lift up that left leg this time. Exhale, pull it, elbow, elbow, and stretch. Good, elbow, exhale, exhale, and stretch. Exhale, exhale, and stretch. 2 more, we elbow, elbow, and stretch. 1 more, elbow, elbow, and stretch. We've got 5 pulses, side to side. Pulse, 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 pulse. For 3, for 2, squeeze those abs. 1, bring it in, drop it down, take that stretch. You should be feeling nice and warm now. I want you guys to come down onto your forearms. Step back into that plank. We are starting with the hardest stuff today. Good. Good, so bracing that core, pulling those abs in. And then when you're ready, I want you to dip those hips and knees down. So alternating those knee taps and thinking of switching on those muscles in the waist. So you're taking that knee across the body. Good, little hip dips, little knee taps. Keep those hips low for me. Good. Feel those muscles in the waist really tighten. Use that breath. Let's go for 4, for 3, for 2, and 1. Beautiful. Bring those knees in. Give yourself a nice big shoulder roll here. Quick little side stretch. Good, reaching it over. Keeping that body moving. And we've really got those deep core muscles on now. So we're gonna come around to seated and get right into the hard work. Good. From here, I want you to come down to your forearms. We're gonna lift those legs into tabletop and just start tapping 1 toe down at a time. Beautiful. So we're gonna think of inhale, exhale to lift. Inhale, exhale to lift. Down and up, down and up, pulling those abs in. Now, if you can, I want you to start to stretch those legs, really lengthen. Think of lengthening those thigh muscles. And the lower you go, the more you have to exhale, pull those abs in to lift it up. Beautiful. Back and back, so strong. Lengthen and lengthen. Good, give me 3, for 2, for 1. Now I want you to just stretch your right leg out. I want you to lift it up, lower it down, switch. Lift it up, lower it down, switch. Lift, lower, switch, getting into those low abs and switch. Beautiful. Lift, lower, switch, lift, lower, switch. Good. Lift, lower, switch, lift, lower, switch. 2 more. Good. Getting those low abs fired up. 1 more each side and switch, lift, lower, 10 seconds, quick switches. Good, get that energy up. We are here to work. 15 minutes of pure ab burn. Let's go. For 4, for 3, for 2, and 1. You're gonna bring it forward. Take that little stretch. I'm gonna mix in that stretching for you today because these moves are intense. Beautiful. Now, when you're ready, I want you to lengthen your legs out, stack your spine, and we really think of pulling that belly button back to our spine. We're gonna roll all the way down, keep pushing through your heels. Deep breath in, and then exhale, really tighten the core here. Pull yourself all the way up, take that little stretch. Good, slowly rolling it down. Deep breath in, and then exhale, slowly rolling it up. So this helps us get every muscle in the core. We really wanna take our time with these first few and feel our spine peel up vertebra by vertebra. Good. 1 more, nice and slow. Can you slow it down even more? Deep breath in, and then exhale. Good, we're gonna take it to singles and add a leg lift. So from here, I want you to lower down, take those feet a little bit wider. You're gonna use some momentum in your breath. You're gonna slice it up and lift. Tap and lift. Beautiful, tap and lift. Use those deep core muscles and lift. So we just really switched everything on. This is where we work. This is where we show up for ourselves. Good. Lift it up and lower. Give me 4 and lower. Give me 3. Beautiful. For 2. Good. Last one. You're gonna hold it down. You're gonna take your hands behind your head and lift yourself up. So we're coming in some flat back abs. I want you to take your right ankle over your left, and I want you to squeeze your knee in and then down. Squeeze it in and down. Now, if you want to advance here, you're going to add that crunch. But as you crunch, think of pulling your abs in. So getting that nice flat ab connection. We don't want to be doming up. Form is more important than height when it comes to abs. So think of that knee hover exercise. Can you exhale, pull those abs in further? Beautiful. Lifting it up. Good. Let's do 3 more here. Upper and lower abs for 2. Good. Last one. Now I want you to take your elbow to your opposite knee. Pulse it in. In. Side to side. Work those obliques. Beautiful. In. And in. So good. Lift. Lift. Beautiful. From side to side here. For 4. For 3. For 2. For 1, lower it down. Let's go right to that other side. So for these first few, pulling the abs in, lifting that left knee into your chest, stretching it down. Lifting it in, stretching it down. Beautiful. When you're ready, you can start to add that double crunch. So much lower ab, upper ab, oblique action happening here. Beautiful. Lifting it up and down. Good. So really tuning into the muscles that you're working and starting to just visualize them getting stronger, them toning up, closing your eyes, breathing, connecting to your body. For 3, for 2, last 1. You're gonna take that leg, you're gonna go opposite knee to elbow and pulse. Opposite side, pulse. So lifting those shoulder blades here and really getting that beautiful deep twist. So good for those obliques. We are really getting everything today. That is what I love about these quickies. You can just get such a good burn, such good targeted toning. Good, 5 more. For 4, beautiful. For 3, for 2, good, last 1. Now stretch those legs long. We're gonna take the hands back behind the head. You're gonna walk it in, out, out. In, out, out. That's level 1. Level 2, your head comes up and we walk it in and out. Good. Level 3, you're gonna squeeze it in, you're gonna lengthen it out. You're gonna inhale, exhale. So much deep core here. Just like in those knee hovers, we pull those abs in and stretch. Give me 4 and stretch. For 3, burn so good. For 2, good, last 1, stretch, pull those legs in, take that quick little rock from side to side, and we're gonna finish off with some upper abs, some more obliques here. Good, so let's take those hands behind the head. They're just wider than your hips. We're gonna reach our right arm and we're gonna push it up and down. Push it up and down. So really actively push. You should feel those triceps working here. Triceps and upper abs. Good, push. So this is level 1. If you want level 2, you're gonna stretch your legs and drop. Good, stretch and drop. Beautiful. Really lengthen your legs for me. Stretch it. Good, 4 more. Reach it further. For 2 and 1. Now we're gonna add on. So we're gonna go opposite knee to elbow and kick. Good, we exhale and kick. So keep that low back on the mat here and kick. Really reach it up for me. We cross and kick. So it's lower upper abs and waist. Good. And kick. Give me 3 more. We cross and kick. Just for 2. And kick. So strong. 1 more. And kick. You're gonna hold it. Other side right away. We push and pull. So that left arm is really energizing here. Stay with me. We are almost there. We are in this together. You can do this. Good. Level 1, level 2, kick it up. Push and kick. So good. We stretch. And really connect to that arm. Push forward. Good. Push. Beautiful. Stretch those legs. Can you lengthen your thighs for me? 4 more. Good. For 3. For 2. Beautiful. 1 more. Now we're gonna add on. So opposite knee to elbow. Tap it down. Kick it up. Woo! We tap and kick. Now find that beat. You know what you're doing. Have fun with it. It's gotta be fun. It's so good to try new things, to work that body. Let's go. We cross and kick. 4 more. We cross and lift. For 3 and lift. For 2 and lift. 1 more and lift. You're gonna take it down. You're gonna rock side to side. We have 1 last little sequence. You can do this. Stay with me. I want you to take the soles of your feet together. Press your palms into the mat. You're gonna press it up and tap it down. Press it up, tap it down. Good. Press it up and down. Beautiful. Lift it up and down. Now, as you lift, really think that deep core pulling, belly button to spine. Good, lift those feet straight up to the sky. Beautiful, tighten that core. So strong, lift it up for me. Good, 4 more. 3 more, remember to breathe. For 2, we are so close. Think of your goals now. You're gonna hold, you're gonna take your hands behind your head. We are gonna double crunch. Lift those knees to those shoulders. Finish it with me here. Stay strong. Love that burn, it feels good. Let's go, 5 more. 4 more. For 3. For 2. You're gonna hold it up. You're gonna reach it forward. You're gonna stretch your legs, lower them down, pull the abs in and hold. Just hold. For 5, reach it further. For 4, can you lower? For 3, for 2, and 1. Pull those knees in, you made it. Whew, let's stretch it out. Give yourself that nice little hug, that rock from side to side. And then when you're ready, let's roll up, let's stretch those abs. That was such a quick, intense ab burn. Stretch back. And then as you come forward, you can come into that cat-cow, or you can drop those hips, whatever feels good. Just breathe into that stomach. Such good results. And remember, there is that core stretch video in your abs program. So you can always go back to that on days that you need extra stretching. Oh, beautiful. Lowering down, lifting up. So good. 1 more. And lift. You know, some days it just takes that quick 15 minutes to feel like the best version of you again. Reach your arm up and get that nice big opening here. Good, and then bring it down. Other side, reach it up. We did so much work for the waist. Good. Whew. I am feeling it. I hope you are too. Let's reach that left arm up and down. Reach. And then hold it here. Just breathe into your side body. And then up and over to the other side, floating that arm. Getting deeper with each exhale. Holding it here, breathing. Beautiful, and then when you're ready, come through center. Give yourself that little neck roll, whatever feels good, whatever your body needs. And then we'll take a nice big shoulder roll. We'll reach those arms up, connect the palms, bring them to heart center. Give ourselves a big round of applause. I'm so proud of you. That was such an intense abs workout. I hope you loved it, and I will see you here in the next one.